In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make music in Gemini. We'll explore various ways to generate music, from selecting predefined tracks to creating entirely new compositions with custom prompts and even adding your own lyrics. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage Gemini's powerful AI for your musical endeavors, opening up a world of creative possibilities right at your fingertips. First things first, to begin our musical journey, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate directly to the Google Gemini application. This is your primary entry point for interacting with the AI and accessing its generative music features. Make sure you are logged into your Google account for full functionality, as Gemini often integrates with your existing Google services, ensuring a smooth and personalized experience as you start creating. Once you are inside the Gemini interface, look for a prominent option that says Create Music. This button is specifically designed to initiate the music generation process and is your gateway to unleashing your creativity. It might appear as a suggestion in the chat interface or as a dedicated button, clearly indicating where you need to click to start telling Gemini what kind of audio you envision. For our initial demonstration, we'll start by selecting a pre-existing track option from the choices presented to you, and then simply click the Submit button. This approach allows Gemini to quickly generate a piece based on a predefined style or theme, giving you an immediate example of its capabilities without needing a complex prompt. It's a great way to get a feel for the system before diving into more intricate custom creations. After you click Submit, you'll notice a brief pause while Gemini processes your request. This is completely normal and indicates that the AI is actively working behind the scenes, synthesizing musical elements and arranging them into a coherent track. The duration of this waiting period can vary slightly depending on the complexity of the request, but usually it's just a moment or two. Once the generation process is complete, the music track will appear in your chat interface, ready for playback. You'll typically see a play button or a visual waveform. Go ahead and click that play button to listen to the AI's creation.
Word up, check the method. My mental is a weapon, learning every lesson. I build with every sentence, moving with progression. Knowledge is the power, watch the empire rise. Confidence is key, you see it in my eyes. Knowledge is the power, we gonna reach the top. Confidence is key, and we are never gonna stop. Yeah!
Next, we're going to explore one of Gemini's most exciting features, the ability to remix existing tracks. This capability allows you to take a generated piece of music and transform it, adding your own creative twist without starting completely from scratch. It's a fantastic way to iterate on ideas and evolve a simple starting point into something entirely new and unique. To begin our remixing journey, it's a good practice to start with a fresh interaction. Navigate to a new chat within Gemini to ensure a clean slate, then click the Create Music option once more. This prevents any previous instructions from interfering with your new creative direction, allowing you to clearly articulate your remixing intentions for the AI. Now for the remix, you'll first select the track you wish to modify. After selecting it, you'll input a specific prompt to guide Gemini's remixing process. For this example, let's use the prompt, create a rap remix of an existing track. Keep the original melody vibe but modernize the beat with hard 808s, punchy kicks, crisp hi-hats, and dark atmospheric pads. 140 BPM. Add aggressive, confident rap vocals with a new catchy hook. Make it hit harder than the original. This prompt clearly defines the desired genre, instrumentation, tempo, and vocal style, providing detailed instructions for the AI to follow. With your detailed remix prompt carefully crafted, the next action is to simply click on the Submit button. This crucial step sends your comprehensive instructions, including the selected track and the desired modifications, directly to Gemini. The AI will then take all these elements into consideration, beginning the process of transforming the original piece into your specified rap remix, aiming to meet every aspect of your creative vision. After you hit Submit, you'll once again need to wait patiently for a moment while Gemini works its magic. Remixing a track, especially with detailed instructions for new instrumentation, tempo changes, and vocal additions, requires significant computational power. The AI is busy dissecting the original track, integrating new elements, and synthesizing a completely fresh audio file that adheres to your prompt, so give it the time it needs. Once the generation is complete and your remixed track appears, go ahead and click the play button to experience the new creation.
Yo, new king on the throne, let the whole cipher know. I take the crown, this is my town, I run the whole show. These other rappers are ill, they got zero lyrical skill. I bring the fire and the thrill, it's a lyrical overkill. I'm at the top of the game now. Everybody's gonna scream my name now. I'm at the top of the game now. Yeah, top of the game now.
Moving on, let's explore creating music entirely from scratch, giving Gemini full creative freedom based solely on your descriptive prompt. This demonstrates the AI's ability to generate original compositions without any pre-existing musical foundation. It's a powerful way to bring brand new musical ideas to life, relying only on the vividness of your textual descriptions to guide the AI's creativity. For this original creation, click on the Create Music option once more, just like before. Then you'll enter a brand new prompt that defines your desired song from the ground up. For instance, you could prompt, create a smooth R&B song at 95 BPM with warm Rhodes chords, deep bass, and soft drums. Add soulful male vocals with emotional, romantic lyrics about late-night love and vulnerability. Catchy hook, intimate vibe. Having meticulously crafted your prompt for this entirely new R&B song, your next step is to click the Submit button. This action sends your detailed specifications directly to Gemini, instructing it to compose an original piece of music that aligns with every element you've described, from the specific instruments and tempo to the overall mood and vocal style. Once you click Submit, anticipate another short wait as Gemini meticulously processes your request, creating a completely original track from scratch, incorporating various instruments, a specific tempo, and a defined mood, demands considerable generative effort from the AI. During this time, the system is actively composing and arranging all the musical components you've specified, so patience is key. With the generation complete, it's time to experience your newly created R&B track. Click the play button and allow the smooth Rhodes chords, deep bass, and soft drums to wash over you.
The city's sleeping, but we're wide awake. Another perfect memory we make. In the stillness of this room, I feel so free, 'cause I can show my soul completely. In the stillness of this room, I feel so free.
Now for a truly personalized touch, we're going to try adding some custom lyrics to our music. This feature allows you to guide the AI not just on the musical style, but also on the exact words it should sing. It's an incredible way to inject your personal narrative and specific storytelling directly into the AI-generated vocal performance, making the song uniquely yours. To achieve this, you'll refine your previous R&B prompt by integrating your specific lyrics directly within it. Your updated prompt will look something like this. Create a smooth R&B song at 95 BPM with warm Rhodes chords, deep bass, and soft drums. Add soulful male vocals, romantic late-night vibe. Lyrics, verse, midnight calling, your body next to mine. Slow burn feeling, losing track of time. Hook, stay with me tonight, don't let go. In your arms is the only home I know. Clearly labeling the lyrics section helps Gemini understand your intent. With your revised prompt now containing your personalized lyrics, the next action is to simply click the Submit button. This sends your comprehensive request to Gemini, instructing it to not only generate the musical arrangement, but also to synthesize the soulful male vocals with your exact words. It's an exciting moment, as you're now guiding the AI's vocal performance directly. As with previous steps, you'll need to wait for a moment after clicking Submit. Generating music with specific integrated lyrics is a more complex task for the AI, as it needs to compose the track and then seamlessly fit the provided text into a vocal melody and performance. This additional processing time ensures that the AI delivers a high-quality, coherent lyrical delivery. Finally, the moment has arrived. Click the play button to listen to your completely personalized R&B track. Pay close attention to how Gemini has interpreted your lyrics. Midnight calling, your body next to mine, and stay with me tonight, don't let go.
Midnight calling, your body next to mine. Slow burn feeling, losing track of time. Stay with me tonight, don't let go. In your arms is the only home I know.